I will show you how to do a watermark in Corel Paint Shop Pro 2018. I'll just start this off. As I said previously, this is a trial. Decide whether I'll get it or not. So anyway, 17 days left, so make the most of it. I actually learned a lot, and deciding on Corel Paint or Cyberlink photo. Anyway, alright, so to create a watermark for your photos or anything, so we'll just go to new. I've actually blank canvas. I've actually got a couple here that I've previously done. Watermark, I usually make that 150 by 150, and resolutions, oh look, pixels 225. Yeah, I tend to bump that up a little bit, but you can actually max it out to 2,500. Just give it a few more pixels. 500 there, so that's 3. All right, done. Press OK. All right, so here's our first image, raster. As you can see here, actually to rename that. I'll put I'll create mine now. Okay, spell my name. Geez, that's small. Right, be Fiskilis. Alright, so I'll actually make it a little bit bigger. Text that. So I'm actually using Souvenir LTBT. I actually quite like that logo. At about, I'll leave it at 8 font size for the time being. Right, so select that, drop that somewhere where temporary. Make it a little bit bigger. So this will be a logo you can use right through your photos if you like. I've actually got it, I'll set the colour in a minute, and outside perimeter I've got transparent texture, transparent, so I don't want the bold stuff, just doesn't look too good to me, you know. Alright, so that's first initials, so that's that one. Now I'll create another one. I want the copyright. So to do the copyright on your keyboard, you got to press Alt, CTRL, and the C. That gives you the copyright emblem. You get that? I'll do that in the video itself, how to do it. So Alt, Control, and C in that order, and the copyright symbol will come on. So I'll just put Bill Fiskilis down there. Now, geez, pick that up somewhere. So reduce that to, whoops, wow, whoops, what's going on here? That's small. There you go, and now, it's on a bit of an angle for some reason. I'll just colour that up so I know where I am. Oops, it's too dark. Actually, we've got no texture. I'll colour that up. Just so I know where I am. There you go. Just, I can fix that later. But it's got to be whitish. And sort of whitish tends to stand out on your photo a bit better. Try and fix this. So I'll take that. It still looks like it's going uphill for some reason. Look right. that down. No, I'll just use the bottom layer. That look right? Yeah, looks very right to me anyway. You won't notice that minute change anyway. Alright, so that's it. So copyright Bill Fiskilis. Now I'll make the first one, just try and match him a little bit better, or try and marry him a little bit better. I'll move this up a little bit, just so it looks neat perspective. So BF, copyright B Fiskilis, and the idea of that is if anyone sees it, they can put Bill Fiskilis in the Google, and my name will come up. Alright, so I'll make that, I'll fix it up now. I usually use about 240, I think, yeah, 240. And that one there, yeah, 240, that's already preset. So, transparent background, oh, cancel that. What's going on here? Actually, yeah, no background. That's the same, both colours are the same. So, that's it. Now what we want to do, there's a trick to this. So we go to save as, oh, wrong one, get out of that. Save copy as, here we go again, get out of that. I'll get it. Script, export, there you go. A PNG optimizer, pretty sure it's one. PNG optimizer, transparent, gamma, format, download, colors. So that's what it looks like. Actually, bring that in. So that's what it's going to look like. Colors, that's fine. It's fine, it's fine. Gamma, download times, press OK. Right, so I'm going to save that to social media banners. I'll put the, pretty sure it's PNG. I'll put Bill Watermark. That's it. It's the right place. Fiskilis Watermark. So I'll save that. Alright, now to test that out, we'll import a photo. Goodness. Stop playing open, just want to open a photo. YouTube videos, Facebook videos, private collection. Where's all my Greek photos? A, B, C, D, E, F. Oh yeah. Blood moon, girls swimming. Wrong folder, Greece. Anyway, I'll just import a photo from me. Oh well, there you go. Tell there. Grandmother's image. Right, I'll just fix that photo. It just looks a bit dull. Press OK. Alright, so the idea is import so I can select all that. I'll just import the watermark again. Open desktop. Social media banners. B Fiskilis watermark. Open that up. That's that's not right. That's not right. That didn't work. Anyway, back to drawing board. Actually, that is not how it's supposed to look. File, save as. It was supposed to be PNG. No, that's not it either. Export JPEG or optimizer. I know what I've done. Export transparency. There you go. Single color transparency, which is existing image or layer transparency. Hey, try again. I'll just save that. Sorry, folks. Just overwrite that. Press OK. And I overwrite it. Just close that. I'll import it again. Open. There you go. I showed you how to mass produce watermark, how to mass batch photos with watermarks. Similar. So this is single photo. So I'm just showing how to do it within the program. You can do it quicker. A single photo. So I'll cut that. Go to my photo. Paste another layer. And select that. Wax it down the bottom where you like it. Actually, bring that in a bit. There you go. Alright. So that's what Watermark looks like. Or I can go straight to batch process. Add an image. I'll pick the same image. Next. Add watermark. I'll pick a watermark I want. That's my wife's watermark. Where am I? Go back. Go back. Desktops. Draw paint shop. Desktop. Move the banner. PDF. Open. There you go. There's my watermark. Size. Yeah, that's looks good. Center below right. Press OK. Fix the picture at the same time. Next. Start. It already exists. I'll override because I did this yesterday. So if I go and reduce that and go to my PC, Pictures. Wow. View. Sort by date. Details. Sort by date. Today, 25th. There you go. Oh, that's wife's watermark. 25th. Oh, today. Today's 26th though. Let's save. Where did you go? Where did you go? Where did you go? Go. And lost it. Do it again. Sorry. Anyway, that's what it looks like. Batch process. I'll pick another photo. I'll pick up that one. Next. I want to add info. Actually, get rid of that. Adding info. I'll cancel that. I don't want that. And smart photo fix. Next, this time, I'll save it to my desktop. Start. All done. So, there you go, folks. That's how Watermark's done. I'll actually could have titled that a bit better. But anyway, that gives you an idea of how it's done. Alright, thank you for that. And yeah, hope you learned something. And yeah, subscribe. Any comments, just leave below. And yeah, look out for the next one. Thanks for that. Bye.